This is not something Satan or Lucifer will ever ask you to do. They do not want virgins. They don't want people to be sacrificed for sex. That is foul. The birds know me as the Antichrist and the warrior bride, and they wish for this story, their favourite story, to be told, about Jesus Christ being a rapist, pedophile, and the evil spirits that belong to me every day of my life. The birds have been singing my name for the past 10 years, if not longer, because I am destined to be this in the world for a very, very long time, to bring down religion and to rebuild it into something better, and to expose the truth of Jesus Christ being a rapist pedophile who raped me as the warrior bride in my bed after I married Lucifer, and exposed myself as a child and raped and masturbated over me as a little girl, and exposed himself to be a sadistic paedophile that cherishes it and adores it. I'm Jessica Wheatley Manning, and the birds know me as the Antichrist and the warrior bride.